Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about UPSC Combined Geoscientist exam notification for 2022. If you are willing to know about the exam notification details, if you want to read them on your own, you can check the link which is accessible from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website Freshers Now and get all the exam notification details at one place itself. Join us to Telegram and get regular job updates. And if you have any of your queries, place them in the comment section. Now before we get into the video, do join us to Telegram because you will be getting regular job updates. Link is provided in the description for joining us directly. UPSC has opened its exam notification for the year 2022. The official notification will give us all of the details, so let's check into it. The first dates to remember is the last date for the submission of application is 12th of October 2021, and the combined geoscientist examination is going to be conducted in 2022. The website is given here to check it time to time for any of the updates. Candidates, ensure that you have to be fulfilling the eligibility for attending the examination. All the candidates, male, female, transgender, you have to first read all the details which are in regards to the geoscientist position, which will be notified by the Ministry of Mines under the Government of India, and the eligibility conditions and all of this are mentioned here further. If you are willing to apply, you have to apply through online by checking onto the website as mentioned here, read the instructions and then proceed to apply. Candidates, you should make sure that you are giving one photo ID or Aadhaar card, voter card, PAN card, driving license, any ID proof which should be from authorized Government of India, and this photo ID will have to be providing all of the details whilst providing the information in the online application form as well. The candidates, make note that you have to upload your photo ID as well with clear and a good format, and the online application form should be mentioning all of the details. Incomplete application will be rejected. Next is photo ID card will be used for further references as well, and make sure that you are carrying your ID proofs when you are attending to the organization, when you are applying for the examination or for the personality test. I've mentioned earlier 12th October is the last date for applying. 12th October 2021. The examination is going to be conducted in 2022. And the details for this can be, or the online application form can be downloaded from this particular link which is provided here. In the examination, there will be two papers which is going to be an objective, and note that there will be a negative marking for every wrong answer. The special instructions given to the candidates are to read the special instructions for this objective test in the same notification towards the end, and preliminary examination, which will be of a combined geoscientist examination, will be conducted on OMR sheets itself. And next is mobile phones. You should not be using your mobile phones. Mobile phones are banned, and no taking electronic devices or media to the examination venue. Next details is regarding the centers and the dates of the holding of the examinations will be liable of change, and applicants note that you will be allotted a center except Delhi, Kolkata and Ahmedabad. Allotment of centers will be according to first application, first serve, first basis. So accordingly you will be getting your placement of the examination center. So the first you apply, the first center or the first allotment that you will be getting. Next is the plan of the examination. As I've said, there will be two papers. You will have stage 1, stage 2, prelims and mains. Mains is a descriptive type. You will have 3 papers in that. You will have personality test, which is the stage 3. Once if you get qualified in all these stages, you will be then proceeded for stage 3 personality test. Examination will be held in the following centers: Bhopal, Chennai, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai and Shimla. Here the category 1 they have given. For geologist group A, there are 100 vacancies. For geophysicists group A, 50. For chemists, there are 20 vacancies. Whoever is belonging to PWD categories, make sure that you are submitting the relevant documents of disability, which should be from authorized certificate. And even for PWD category candidates, the vacancies are already reserved for all of the 3 categories as mentioned here. Now, even if you are belonging to SC, ST, OBC or EWS, relevant documents should be attached with your application in order to get your relaxations for the post. Next is where you can see the eligibility conditions. The candidate should be a citizen of India, subject of Nepal or Bhutan, or an Tibetan refugee, or a person of Indian origin who have migrated from Pakistan before the years. And next is The age limit given for the post is 32 years of age. Relaxations will be applicable according to the Government of India rules. The resources given here are as follows. As of 1st of January 2022, you should not be born later than January 1990. The age eligibility will be calculated accordingly. Next is the columns where they are mentioning up to the upper age relaxations, and also column 1 below you can apply for the corresponding post as well. So for Geologist Survey of India, these are the posts. For Central Groundwater Board, these are the posts that you can apply for. The upper age limit, I have told you, SC, ST or the backward classes, EWS, you will be given relaxations according to the certificates that you are giving, and also you should be from an authorized one. The next details are regarding all of this is, next is the education qualifications. If you are applying for the post of Geologist Survey, you should make sure that you have a master's degree in this particular fields, which are geological science, geology, applied geology, geo-exploration, oceanography, coastal areas, etc. But whichever degree, master's degree certificate that you are submitting, it should be recognized from the university or any government institute. For geophysicist, for group A, you should have an MSc. You should be completing your masters in applied physics, geophysics, integrated MSc, or you can also have applied geophysics as well. For MSc in chemistry or applied chemistry also is eligible. For scientists, and masters in geology or applied geology is also eligible to apply. Now whichever post that you are applying to, you can read all of the details properly if you are willing to. The physical standard test format is given in appendix 2 of this notification. The fees is, except the candidates of female, SC, ST, person with PWD candidates, others have to pay ₹200 for the application fees. You can pay with MasterCard, RuPay, credit, debit card, or using the internet. And applicants who want to pay by cash, you should make sure you are printing by the system and pay in slip as per the registration. Next is the fees details itself. You can access the links in the official website. Now if you are willing to apply, you can visit this official website, read all the details, fill in the application form, attach the relevant documents with your photo ID, your education, your experience, all of that. You can attach them and then you can submit it to the officials before the last date. Candidates who are requested to also to keep all the scanned copies of your documents and also the originals ready, because there will be a document verification where you have to take in your original documents if the document verification is conducted. The list of the documents which you have to keep it ready are certificate of age, education qualifications and caste certificates, claim of age, support of being if you are PWD certificates, and the next is other ID proofs, etc. So the checklist is also given here. Keep this checklist aside when you are putting your application in process. The last date is 12th of October 2021, they have given here, and check the official website time to time for regarding any of the updates or any of the latest information. The next details are regarding the physical requirements. As you can see, the functional classification is given. The physical requirements is speaking, sitting, standing, walking, all of that will be tested. That will be coming under personality test, so which you are willing to apply, just check it out. Here they have given the examination format. So if you are wanting to know how the exam is going to be conducted, there is going to be stream 1, which is paper 1 geology, 3 geologies. Each paper is going to be for 3 hours, 200 marks. And for geophysicist, they are going to be geophysics examination for 3 hours. In total you have 600 marks is the marks calculation. So all of the examination patterns also is given here, so check it and you will have an idea to whichever post that you are applying to. You can read that particular examination pattern. So you can access this notification through the description box. So the link is provided, you can access it directly. Further queries in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.